Alright, got the little 64 millimeter Stinger. Can't talk today for some reason. And again, I got it on a switch back here that for hand launching. I just give it just a, hopefully that's in view. Flip that switch, it gives it just about 6 or 7% up elevator. And I found that really helps with the hand launching. Alright. I say that now, it'll probably hex it. This is kind of my beater craft. Had the nose patched a couple times, wings patched up. So let's see, we got really no breeze today. Well, that was wonky as all get out. That didn't go good at all. That was crazy daisy right there. So, not sure what was going on. I know it kind of slipped out of my hand on the launch, but then it was very uncontrollable. I had it in low rates on the ailerons, which is not a lot. You can see it's very, very little. Rudder's on high rate. Yeah, elevator was on high rate. I normally don't do that. I normally flat with on low. Same way with the rudder. So that was all on me, forgetting to test my sticks on it before I took off. Alright, thanks for watching.